Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and in case today's your first day you're popping into the channel, please subscribe, like and share. Also click on the notification button so that it will enable you understand whenever we upload new video, you understand. And if you're a returning subscriber, also copy the link and share to others so that they can get a benefit of what you are benefiting. And again, let me quickly remind you of our yellow CC. Yes, don't forget this cream, Irish ladies body white, aka yellow CC. This is a trendy cream right now. Okay, look at it, look at it. They have the tendency of giving you 7 shades. I'm not giving you stories, I'm not telling you lies. It have the tendency of giving you 7 shades. You want to white like other ways, other way some ladies get white. This is the solution. You know what I mean? Okay, the quick one today. What do I want to tell you about? Oh, before I forget, let me tell you, if you want to buy your recipe wherever you are in the US, Canada, you're in the Asia country, Europe, UK, over other part of Africa, just call us via the number on your screen. We'll ship them to you, and our price are affordable. Yes, trust me on this one. Quickly, let's dive into what I came to tell you of. Lately, a lot of people, they be shouting me, telling me about their redness of their face. What could really cause redness? Yes, redness, especially for the ladies. Stop overworking yourself. Sometimes we feel like when we work excessively like this, that will always make us get money or satisfaction of ourselves. Yes, but sometimes overworking yourself is that bad. Stress can cause this redness. Working on that sun, doing some things that are just be stressful to the body. That could really, even that can even cause some veins for you, some kind of veins and stretch marks. But don't mind, I'm just saying about generally. What we're talking about today is redness of the face and or redness of the body. So how do we control it? How do we take that off? I tell you this about it. I just want to open this to you. No magic about it, apart from all that serums, other substance items that you can use. Number one thing you can use that is very simple. You can do it right there wherever you are. Let me open this secret for you. I just want to make this as a giveaway. So the fact is, you can, even if you don't do it right, that is your problem. So listen attentively. Don't come DM me on my Instagram or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp. How did you say you do this again? Listen and listen good. It's one opportunity I'm just giving it. You can use lime or you can use lemon. Let's go with lemon. You can use lime or lemon. Lemon, trust me. Lemon is what? Lemon is acidic. And they have various ways you can use this lemon. Yes, let's go with number one way first. If you're being stressful like that and then you have redness, this is how you can take it off with the lemon. First of all, pick the lemon and you knife and slice into two. You can use it to moisturize your face in a circular motion for some while, and after that you wait for like 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes at most. Then you go wash your face and dab your face with your towel. Look at your face, and the next morning the same thing, and the other morning the same thing. Before you do this, 1 week is off. It's not a magic, it's off. Because first of all, that uninvited guest isn't supposed to be there. You know what I mean? So that is what that lemon could do for you. Then if that is too way harsh on you, that okay, I don't want to do that, it's too harsh. Now dice the lemon and slice it and squeeze the water into a bowl. This is the other way around. You can use squeeze it and add some water. The lemon is the acidic on its own, it's acid on its own, What the water, water on its own, it can is a temperature, is a cooling temperature. They can cool your temperature. It can make your face look calm. So when you mix these two together, you pick up your towel, your clean towel, deep inside, and you use it to dap the place, the affected area, if it's a body. Before you do this 1 week, at most, let me not lie to you, at most 1 week. If your redness is that stubborn, okay, 1 week and some days before you know any part of the body you see the water, it will cool the place, while the acid will take the blood off, take that redness off. That is what lemon does. So don't forget, I'll show you we have other method as well also, but with these two you can go with it the fastest way. So far, don't be just try it. Come on, this DIY you can do at home. You don't need to ask me to send you some serum, to buy some serum from me to take this off. No, you can do this. Then if you do that, it doesn't work, meaning that is a spiritual problem, then you cannot come to us. You cannot order for other products, you cannot order for other product to work this out for you. But at least with that, you're good. We good, everybody good. Redness of the face operation, kill the redness of our body. Okay, if you want to buy, don't forget, if you want to buy, you want to order for your cosmetic or a skincare ingredient or recipe, all you need to do, just call out the number on your screen. That's the only way you can get us. Call out the number on your screen, being in Europe, in US, Canada, Asia, UK, wherever you are, Africa country, that part of Africa, just call out us. We have the right goods for you. Our goods are original. I just have this in mind, and like people going because of some cheap things you see somewhere, you go buy, problem to yourself. Okay, if you feel maybe our own institute costs, go buy the problem, because I call them problem. But don't forget, don't just because of £1 or $1 cheap things like that, go buy problem for yourself. Go for the right store, which is AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, baby. You know what we do in here. So don't forget, yes, this is the right cream for you once again. Irish Ladies Body White. Go for it right now, right here in this store. A lot of people they be trying to see how they can get to me. You can get to me on WhatsApp. This is the same number, or you can get to me on Instagram. Or you can get to me on Facebook, still the same name, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That is who we are. That is where we stay. We stay online 24 hours. We're online 247. We're online. So we say we got what you need. Don't forget about that. Don't forget about that. Always patronize us as we patronize you too. Come on. So I say, Merry Christmas is gone. I say, Happy New Year in advance to you all. Bye.